Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rahul Technopath. In this video, I will talk with you how you can make this wonderful and attractive image gallery hover effect using HTML and your CSS. So if you can see when I will take cursor on these images, one image title and one paragraph will come. See, it's look very beautiful. So let's start our video how you can make this gallery. So first I have opened my text editor. It will brackets editor and I will create a folder. That folder name is images gallery. Alright, I have already created this folder. So in it I will paste some images. So those images are in this folder. So I will simply copy it here and paste it over here. Okay, these are some images. So look, I have created one more folder named CSS. In it I will create one file that is style dot css. See, file is created and here I will create one more file index dot html. In the HTML file I will write some structures like doc type HTML head title. So this is the title. So I will link with this CSS folder. So for that I will simply write link tag and my CSS folder means the style.css is in CSS folder. So I will simply write CSS forward slash style.css. Okay, then I will take body tag. Inside it I will take one div tag with the class name container and another I will take div with the class name box and I will take one more div with the class name image box. So inside here I will take one image. So for that image src, first I will delete the cell tag and in it I will take one image. So my image is in images folder. Pick one dot png. Okay, when this div close I will take one more div with the class name contain. Then I will take h2 tag and I will write image title title and one p tag. I will take lorem 10 version. Look, so control S and I will open it in my browser. You can see this image. You can see this image. So I will duplicate from here. Four times. 1 2 3 4. and then I will change these images name like pic2, pic3 and pic4. Then when I will refresh it, so look, these images are properly come with the proper image title and paragraph. So I will style this. So I will take one star and I will take margin 0, padding 0. Once again I will zoom it. See now, okay. Margin 0, padding 0. Box sizing will be border box. Then I will write here body. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Align items will be center. Then mean height will be 100 VH. If I will refresh this, you can see these images look like this. Then I will write dot container. Position will be relative. Width will be 1100 px. Then display will be flex. Flex. Sorry, flex. Wrap will be wrap. Then cursor will be pointer. Then when I will replace it, you can see so I will copy it from here, dot container, paste it over here in the HTML page. I will copy this and paste it over here in my CSS folder. Position will be relative. Width will be 275 px. Height will be 275 px. Overflow will be hidden. Transition will be 0.5 seconds. Then if I will refresh here, you can see I will copy this and paste here, and I will write hover. For that hover effect, I will take C index. It will be 1. Then I will take transform scale 1.25. I will take box shadow 0, 25 pixel, 40 pixel. Then RGBA. First I will remove this and I will take 0, 0, 0, 0.5. Then I will save this and refresh it here. See, it looks very nice. Almost this web page is complete. Now I will add in this hover effect like this hover effect. So I will come down and I will write dot container dot box and then dot img box. So for that position will be absolute, top will be 0, left will be 0, width will be 100%, height will be 100%. Control S, refresh. I will copy this text from here and paste it over here, and I will write before, then content will be empty, position will be absolute, top will be 0, left will be 0, width will be 100%, height will be 100%, z index will be 1. Then I will take background, linear gradient 180 degree. Then I will take aqua color name and then black. Control S. When I will refresh, you can see the color combination is looking very good, like this. Look here, I have written this container box over and image box, and inside it I will take one opacity 1. Control S. Nothing is happening because I have taken here opacity. I will copy this and paste here and write img, and then I will copy these properties and paste it over here, and I will write object feet, it will be cover. Control S and refresh. See, these images are looking very good. Now I will add some text over here, like this. Text are coming from down to top. For that I will go to HTML. See, I have written this dot container dot box dot content, and I will simply copy these properties from here and paste it over here. It is very simple. Position will be absolute, top 0, left 0, width 100%, height 100%, z index 2, display will be flex, padding will be 20 pixel, align items will be flexible. So when I will refresh it, see these image title and paragraph are shown here. Then I will add here color because it is not looking very good. For that I will copy this first and write here H2 color white. I will take, and then I will take transition 0.5s, text transform will be uppercase, you can also write capitalize, margin bottom will be 5 pixel, font size will be 20 pixel, and then I will take one more property, transform translate y 200 px, and I will copy it from here and I will write hover, and I will take transform transform translate y0 and transition delay 0.6s. Control S and refresh. Look, now it's look beautiful. And now I will style this p tag and write p color will be #FFF, and I will copy these properties and paste here, and transition 0.5s, and then font size will be 16 pixel. Then I will copy it from here and paste here, and I will write here hover, and I will write here transform form translate y0 transition 0.6s. Sorry, it will be 0.7s. Control S, and when I will refresh, you can look beautiful hover effect on these images are coming. You can add more images if you want. So thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel Rahul Technopath for more awesome videos. Bye, goodbye, Jai Hind.